Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be kept up to date with new additions, and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. This morning in class, one of my students was apologising for missing a lesson last week, and as she was explaining why she'd missed the class, she told me that she'd driven to see her mum, who'd been quite ill recently. I asked how far away her mum lived, whether it was close or not, and she told me, even by Russian standards, it's quite a long journey. I know from talking to lots of Russians that often if you say, "How far away do you live?" people will say things like, "Oh, not far, only 400 miles away." So I was curious as to how far this student's mother lived from where her house was. She told me that it took a couple of days each way to get there. So 2 days from her house to her mum's house, 2 days coming back. "Wow," I replied, "that's quite a trek." If you say that a journey is quite a trek, you mean it's a long journey. It takes a long time to make. And maybe there's the idea that it's also a little bit difficult. You might know the idea of trekking or going trekking in the mountains, where you go walking up in the mountains and it's a long, hard, difficult walk. In the same way, we often describe any kind of long journey by any means of transport as quite a trek. And I even use it when talking about London. If I have to drive somewhere and ask, "Where is it?" "Oh, it's on the other side of London. That's quite a trek. It'll take me at least an hour to drive down there." If you have liked this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, tell us about journeys that you think are quite a trek.